Hey guys, it's me Mongar. So today I'm gonna help you how to get the new one. So, oh my god, please stop. Right here. Oh my god, that messed me up. So first we have to get it. Okay, so first you have to go right here. Wait, to go okay, you could go right here and you have to go in Roblox. Don't this game. Wait. This game and go in here. Okay, now we're gonna load in Roblox. We're going in. Let's go in. And yep. You have to go in. And Roblox. No, my laptop about to get hot. Never mind. Wait, I'm gonna check. Still getting hot. Okay, first. So you have to go over here. You have to go over here. Okay, first, if you see this sign, just click here. Click it. I don't know. I just got it before a minute ago, so you have to click right here. Click it right here, and after you got the badge, so you got it, and you have to leave the game. Leave the game, and you have to go to your avatar. You know, and if you see like what you got, and you have to go look it. You just got it. You just got the whole thing that you got, and that's it. That's how you got. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.